back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hey people, this is another garden update, and the plant that I am pointing to and showing you is called a watch chain plant. As you can see, a lot of it has died on one side. So what I'm going to do is cut out the dead, and I'm going to put in the fresh green leaves, and we'll see how this looks in a week or so. Okay, so hold on. I got Mr. Frog on duty to watch this watch chain plant. Haha. So hopefully what I've done, cleared out the dead, poked back in the fresh, and hopefully in a week or so it'll grow like it used to look like this. See how beautiful it used to be? So that's what I'm trying to get it to look like. Alright, this is just a garden update. Till next time, this is my watch chain. Thanks for watching.